This video will explain the uses of the attach command. By using the attach command, multiple components can be brought together and operated as one component. First, open the How to Attach Multiple Components.vcmx. Using the attach command, we will combine the printer and table into one component. Click the printer. Go to the Home tab, Hierarchy, and click Attach. Confirm that the Attach to Parent window has been displayed, and click the table on the 3D world. Here, we can now use the printer and table as one component. The component will be managed in a tree structure with the first selected component as the child node, and the component selected after clicking Attach as the parent node. In this explanation, the printer will be the child node, and the table will be the parent node. If you move the parent node component by dragging, the child node component will also move in the same way. On the other hand, if you try to move the child node component by dragging, the parent node component will not move. By changing the coordinates of the child node, you can confirm the position from the child node origin to the parent node origin. If you click the printer and change coordinates from the Component Properties window to Parent, the coordinates value will display the distance from the printer origin to the table origin. With the child node selected, go to the Home tab, Hierarchy, and click Detach. This will detach the child node from the parent node. The detach command cannot be used when a selected component is not attached to any components. The attach command can also be used for movable parts. Click the supporter. Click Attach under Hierarchy and select the positioner pedestal to attach it. Go to Manipulation, click Interact, and if you move the positioner pedestal, the child node supporter will also move. You can attach multiple components in one go by selecting multiple components. We will move the cylinder, the can, the ball, and the bottle into the box. Select the cylinder, the can, the ball, and the bottle together. Go to Hierarchy, click Attach, and then click Box. You can confirm that the components placed in the box are attached by moving the box. The parent node component can be saved with the child nodes included. Select the box. Go to the Modeling tab, Component, and click Save As. Change the name to Parts Box, and click Save As. Set the file type to VCMX, and save it to a folder. Also, if you save the file under Documents, Mitsubishi, Gemini, your software's version number My Models, the file will be displayed under the eCatalog. For this explanation, save the file with the name Parts Box to Documents, Mitsubishi, Gemini, 1.48, My Models. Click the Home tab. Go to the eCatalog window, My Models, and place the previously saved parts box onto the 3D world. You can confirm that the child nodes that were attached previously have also been saved. This concludes the explanation on how to attach multiple components. Thank you for watching.